एबीपी आनंद
एबीपी से
नाम आइए थैंक यू
Not so for our guest. He definitely needs no introduction, but still, Papita is a popular music director in the Indian film industry, singer, music director, and a percussionist. Thank you, Papita, for being with us here today. Before we start off, we would like to give special acknowledgements for the publisher of the book, Lead Start, for bringing this book launch to us. Swaroop Nanda, the CEO of publisher Lead Start, is here. We welcome him. Thank you so much. I would now request, we'll first unveil the book. I will request Swaroop, Papita and Paramita to please unveil the book, please. Thank you.
भाई मोबाइल
पीछे Thank you. We also have Mr. Jawahar Bakshi. He is a famous poet. I request Mr. Bakshi to please welcome Ms. Papita with a small token, please. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bakshi.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, everybody. Sorry for delay. You know the traffic. My son was there, traffic jam. Dropped answer. Very much sorry. So 1 hour late. And I think so. This life collection of poems. I've seen the beautiful word life. Life is सब कुछ है. जिंदगी सब कुछ है. So it's an excellent book today published by Oxford and so by Dr. Paramita Mukherjee Malik. Thank you very much for inviting me here. And सबसे बड़ी बात जो है आपने अनाउंस किया. My contribution in the film line is 42 years, not only on the disco dancer, from Chalte Chalte to Kunde. So very long year, but I have seen so many poets here from in Indian lyric writer like Sahil Udyani, Majru Saab, to Javed Akhtar, Hindi Vachi. But this poet you have collected the collection of poems. I think so. I can do something on my name. I think I can compose some songs. Grace of God, definitely. Or latest, I have composed a song in London, Justice for Widows. The video is all over the world. They have appreciated. I will do something for life. A collection of poems by Paramita Mukherjee. God bless you and all the best for this work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Papita. I will request the author.
Good evening, all of you. I'm so honored that Papita is with me to release this book. I think Saraswati herself has come down and touched my book. I am honored and I'm touched, and I have no words to show my emotion. And if I can share a few very personal things with you. This Saraswati Puja, it was on the 4th of February. I had gone to Bappida's house and I had given Pushpanjali to Ma Saraswati with Bappida, and I felt Bappida is directly blessed by Saraswati ji, and I being there in front of Saraswati ji with Bappida, I felt the touch of Saraswati in my book. I am so honored, Bappida. I am very honored and very touched with you coming here and releasing my book. I think your touch on my book means a lot to me, and bless me that everything goes well. Thank you, Bappida, firstly.
And I will tell you something, what I promise, some 2-3 months, after 2-3 months, the collection of poems, I have recorded some songs, and I will release.
Poetry was something I dreamed about. Poetry was something I really dreamed about, but I never thought I could write poetry. I had done my PhD in genetic toxicology, so I was a very straightforward person, only deep into science, and I knew nothing about poetry. And gradually, when my daughter is, I call her my teacher of 12 years, Sankalpita. When she was born, she used to listen to stories from me, and she was one who would not listen to the same story the next day. So, you know, every day I had to weave a new story, and so my storytelling or book publishing started. So I started publishing my stories for children. And then gradually, with her growing up again, I changed my writing process. In between, I remember when she was about 8-9 years old, I had to tell her detective stories. And I made a mixture of Sherlock Holmes, which I called Paromita Sherlock Holmes, and told her. So it was, you know, a gradual process which went on and on and on. And then I love traveling, and of course my husband is the one, Mr. Sudeep Malik, who loves traveling as well. So whenever I travel, I love writing travelogues. So I publish a lot of travelogues as well in magazines, journals, and newspapers. But over a span of 5 years, I've been writing poetry, and now I've got into it. I was so happy that I could release my book. I'm so glad, and I'm so full of gratitude. In fact, today morning, my daughter was quizzing me on, Mama, if anybody asks you, which is your favorite poem in this? So I remember when again, sorry, I'm talking about my daughter again. She's the apple of my eye. So when she was very small, we had gone to Alps, Innsbruck, and she was suddenly putting some ice into her pocket to bring home. And my husband said, what are we? The song of the nightingale in the night brings spring in our stride and thoughts on side vacation so rich. Wallowing and rolling in the snow is happiness more than you know. About my journey of being a poetess. Of course, this is my first journey in the realm.
Thanks, Bapida, for coming in and making the occasion. Amazing to work with you all these times. So the little I could tell you about what the book contains. Beyond the space of life, it goes very deep. It's very insightful in whatever piece that she read. And there's a lovely hint of spirituality across that runs through another.
Inspirations, journeys, and the light. And I don't know why I always feel the presence of God with me whenever good things happen. So I want to share another experience with you. We were in Prague then, and I was, you know, when sometimes you feel depressed and sometimes you're very happy, it's like that. So there was a church in front of our hotel. It was very dark and absolutely dark. The light. Who knew there was so much light in you? Who knew there was so much peace in you? Me, the scattered soul searching for light. Me, the scattered soul craving for peace. The black house of God, the dark sloping roof, and the huge dark windows, luring me and tempting me to your abode. Suddenly, oh suddenly, you opened the door. With trepidation of heart I entered, with fright in my eyes I entered. I sat on the seat and listened to the organ play. I sat on the seat after a lazy day. I closed my eyes, and lo and behold, I found you. You showered me with golden glitters. My disturbed mind found peace to hold. You showed me light to peace unfold.
Are there any questions from the audience?
Yeah, if audience.
And it is I always encourage new talent, new lyricists, new poetess. The today's I just released live a collection of poems by Dr. Paramita Mukherjee Malik. She has written beautiful some poems, English, and I am so much delighted. I promise if I like some poet, I will compose, and next time I will release this song. Some songs from Dr. Paramita. देखिए, परिवर्तन का मेरा तो ऊपर वाला का दया से 42 इयर्स चल रहे हैं, और जब मैं एंट्री लिया था तब ऐसा मीडिया नहीं था, बट मैं मीडिया को बहुत सम्मान करता हूँ और परिवर्तन तो होना ही चाहिए। टीवी नहीं था, टीवी आया, कलर नहीं था, कलर आया, उसके बाद हमेशा वीडियो नहीं था, वीडियो बना, वीडियो से चला गया, अभी दूसरा कुछ आ गया, ब्लू रे आ गया। ये तो परिवर्तन होता ही रहता है, लेकिन परिवर्तन का साथ खुद को भी परिवर्तन करना चाहिए। डेफिनेटली।
तो अब आपकी लाइफ कैसे रहता है?
मेरा लाइफ में जो मेरा अभी एज है और मैं जो काम कर चुका हूँ बॉलीवुड के लिए, मेरा करना है कुछ सेवा, और सबसे बड़ी बात जो है बॉलीवुड का टेक्नीशियंस जितना है उनके लिए कुछ करना है। चाहे मैं लोकसभा का एमपी बनूं, चाहे राज्यसभा का एमपी नहीं बनूं, कोई बात नहीं है। मैं बीजेपी का पार्टी का होके मैं सेवा करूंगा। मेरा जन्मभूमि है कलकत्ता, टॉलीवुड को भी सम्मान करूंगा, उनका टेक्नीशियन को। बॉलीवुड में मेरा कर्म भूमि है, महाराष्ट्र का सलाम करता हूँ, प्रणाम करता हूँ। जो उनका बॉलीवुड का टेक्नीशियंस के लिए कोई नहीं कुछ किया, तो मैं कुछ करूंगा। ये मैं प्रतिश्रुति दिया है, प्रॉमिस किया है, और मैं चाहता हूँ एक ही बात है, राजनाथ जी के सपने होंगे साकार, मोदी जी करेंगे भारत में चमत्कार। 100%, 100 नहीं 200%।
ऐसा माना जा रहा है कि भारत में ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है जो मोदी जी करने वाले इतिहास को रचने वाला है।
डेफिनेटली। जो मैं भाषण देखा कलकत्ता में, आई वॉज इन मोदी जी ऑन रैली, इतना सुंदर भाषण दिया, आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस। बस ऐसे ही होना चाहिए कोई देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर।
आपको मुंबई की तरफ से हम चुनाव लड़ते हुए देखेंगे या फिर जैसे कि
मेरा देखिए ऑलरेडी लोकसभा के लिए टिकट 3-4 जगह से है, राजस्थान से है, कलकत्ता से है, मुंबई से है, लेकिन अभी मैं देखता हूँ 10-15 दिन में हो जाएगी। मेरा भी बिजी शेड्यूल है। मैं उनको बोला हमको ऐसा कीजिए, कुछ सेवा का मौका दीजिए। ऐसा नहीं है जो सब लोग सोचे बापी लहरी एमपी बनने के लिए ये सब कोशिश किया। मैं दिल से सबके लिए करना चाहता हूँ। कोई किसी का प्रॉब्लम हो रिलेटेड टू आवर बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री, चाहे बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री हो, चाहे मीडिया इंडस्ट्री हो, जो आप लोग जो हमारे साथ में रहते हैं, मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ आप लोग को, बस दैट्स ऑल।
काफी अच्छी बात की आपने। राजनीति में आते ही आपके प्रति देखिए लोगों में कैसे अफवाहें उड़ाना चालू कर दिया।
हाँ, वो तो सेम डे जिस दिन मैं दिल्ली में गए हैं, दिल्ली रात को फ्लाइट करके आया तो अफवाह चला दिया बापीलाल इज नो मोर। देखिए, किसी का अफवाह फैलाने से कुछ होता नहीं। गॉड इज ग्रेट। मैं हर मजहब को मानता हूँ। मेरा हाथ में आजमी शरीफ है, धागा है, वेटिकन सिटी का कड़ा है, गुरुद्वारा का कड़ा है, गले में गणपति बाबा सिद्धि विनायक है, जो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा मानता हूँ, सिद्धि विनायक बालाजी। तो आई नो जो भी होता है, जो करने वाला है ऊपर वाला। Nobody can do anything. Thank you very much. Nice to talk with you. And again, I want to say something. Stop. I want to say some live collection of poems. Dr. Paramita Mukherjee Mallik. उनके लिए मेरा हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बात